Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable fill usernames and passwords automatically in Firefox browser. So how to enable fill usernames and passwords automatically in Firefox browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Privacy and Security menu. Now here you are in the Privacy and Security menu. Scroll down to find the Password menu. Then tap Enable Fill Usernames and Passwords Automatically. This feature allows automatic filling of usernames and passwords when logging in, making it easier and faster to access your account. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable fill usernames and passwords automatically in Firefox browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.